Hey, good morning or good afternoon, depending on where you are around the world. Wanda DePaulo here. On this channel, we're going to talk about mindset, personal development, whatever else comes to the table. Today, just fired up and grateful to be able to take a vacation and be able to work anywhere in the world. Doesn't matter where you're at, you can still connect with your target market. You can still enjoy your vacation and talk to people at the same time, and I love that because I like to call it a paid vacation. I come out here and I can share with people that which I do and be able to write it off, so I really love that. The other thing I wanted to talk to you about is just know that what's possible for others is possible for you and me if you're willing to do the work. There was a time I wasn't able to take a vacation, but over the last few years, I've been able to, squirrel a few nuts, as they would say, and just put money away. So I'm able to take a vacation and do some of the things that, that are on my bucket list in life, and you can too. The other thing I'd like to invite you to is that morning mastermind call in the morning. I love when new people come on. And new people step out and they say how this call, has sparked something inside them. Inside each and every one of us, there's something great. It's just dying to come out. We need somebody to unlock it. We need somebody to believe in us, someone to push us forward. And I really believe it's just like going to the gym. If you have an exercise buddy, it's easier. But it takes willpower to go to the gym by yourself also. So it takes a community of people, and I love to be around high vibe people this week down here with my friend Paula and Paul Works. And just really grateful for, one, the opportunity to come here. Two, they've been taking me down Sanibel and Naples and out to eat and boating and beaching and just really just showing me a great time, so I'm very grateful for that. I love being a snowbird. How about you? Are you a snowbird? I love New England. I love the seasons, but I love to be a snowbird. Once you get a little taste of down here in Florida, guys, you don't want to go back, but we have to go back to reality. Each and every one of us. I know for myself, I have to work while I'm earning my freedom. 4 more years to retirement. So, as always, do something good for somebody else in the space of knowing they can't repay you. Let your light shine. Keep shining bright. Keep your eyes on above. So I love you and I appreciate you. Have an awesome day. Till tomorrow.